Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to trade in Roblox. In this video, we'll be showing you how to trade in Roblox using your mobile device. You can actually do this within the Roblox mobile app itself, but if you prefer using a browser, you can also trade through the official Roblox website. Simply open your browser, let's say Chrome, then search for Roblox and log in. Once you're on the website, tap the triple bar menu on the top left corner and you'll find the trade option. Select it and you'll be directed to your trading page where you can view your inbound, outbound, completed, and inactive trades. Now, if you want to start a new trade, head over to the profile of the person you want to trade with, tap the three dot icon on their profile, then choose Trade Items. From there, you can select which limited items to offer or request. And that's it. You're now ready to trade directly from your mobile device. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.